Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about blackberries, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for when you're using blackberries. Hopefully this will help you out. Now this is part 2 in a 2-part series. I'll have a link to part 1 below. The list is kind of long, so I broke it up. Why not try topping some pancakes or waffles with some fresh blackberries and then add a dollop of some yogurt on there, and that would be really yummy. Try topping your favorite pudding with some fresh blackberries and maybe a sprinkling of granola. Here's something different. How about a nut butter fresh blackberry sandwich? Use the blackberries in place of jam or jelly, and you could make it a little richer by adding some sliced banana in there. Why not? Try a savory blackberry sauce by gently cooking until it's smooth. A pint of blackberries, half a cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey, and then just gently cook that until it's smooth. Try it over grilled meat, chicken, or even seafood, and it would work really, really well with salmon. Why not try an easy frozen treat by blending together some mashed banana, blackberries, and some fruit-flavored yogurt. Pour it into muffin cups with a popsicle stick stuck in the middle of it and freeze it. And that will be good. When they're all frozen, you'll have some yummy popsicles. Why not make a parfait by layering some yogurt, granola, blackberries, and banana slices? Try adding blackberries to your favorite smoothie. Why not use blackberries as a topping for frozen yogurt or ice cream? Make a simple fruit salad by combining blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and some banana slices, and even some orange segments. Top it with a dollop of yogurt, and you're good to go. And why not add some fresh blackberries to your favorite green salad? Dress it with a little balsamic vinaigrette and top it off with a sprinkling of some slivered almonds or toasted walnuts. Sounds like a good combo to me. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.